How to add a savings account on Lloyds Bank app. Well, the very first thing that you need to do is you need to understand on what specific savings account that you'd like to add. So if it's gonna be opening up a savings account for other family members, then you can actually do this who is under 16 years old. But however, if you are the parent or the legal guardian of the child, then you need their permission to open the account first. So what you need to do, or all the necessary requirements that you need to do, is just at least you do have a savings or a Lloyds Bank account online. So these are the requirements for you to be able to apply for adding another savings account on Lloyds Bank. So you'll need one of their Club Lloyd's current accounts to get started and opening an account for your child, or at least 18 or over and your child is between 11 and 15 when you apply, and then the account can be held until the child's 18th birthday. And of course, you are a UK resident and live at the same address as your child. So for you to be able to adding it, you just have to go to their official website and go to this page right here and then just choose on continue on the website, which will redirect you on applying or adding another savings account with your Lloyds Bank app. And that's it. That's how you add a savings account on Lloyds Bank app.